How are you?
Hello, is here.
Oh no, don't worry. I'll take care of it.
Hey, come here today. Yeah.
Don't worry, don't worry. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go up before I'm bringing all my tools.
Yeah.
I have to put all the protective.
Yeah.
Okay, first before I bring all my tools. So can I leave my tools
Right.
here?
Yeah, totally. Of course, you know the drill. You just leave everything wherever you want. Yes.
So I'm gonna need which one? All right, Cleanness.
Yes.
I'll go up.
Yes, okay.
I'll go straight up.
Yeah. Keep your shoes on also. Don't please bother me. I want to get my shoes on. I'll clean up these room. Come, let me put on the light.
Oh, here it is. Start. So as you can see how dark in here. So even the light right now it's open. So we need more lights in here.
I was thinking maybe you could just
Yeah, no problem.
tilt this up.
Oh, you want to bring this on, huh?
I don't think this will come out. Can it?
No, it's still here. It's okay.
It can stay.
We're
This is
back
what I was
here
thinking.
to,
We can take it up.
do some small work because this room it was like kind of dark here, right? And we want to install like 4 pot lights. And first, before that we do that, we have to remove the ceiling. I mean the popcorns.
All right, so let's put it up the floor protective first. Then we can start. All right, so right now we're going to prep the pot lights. So first thing, what we're gonna do here, we were just gonna top it from the existing. We're just gonna add up one more switch. So it's gonna be 2 gang, 2 switches separately. So this one was originally there was like a ceiling fan there. So that's gonna be stays. We're just gonna add up 4 lights altogether. 2 here and 2 up here. All right, so we need to pull a wire. We're gonna be using 14.2. I have 14.2 here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna prep it today, and we'll connect them tomorrow. So first thing we're gonna do is we gotta cut a hole in here and fish it through. Okay. There you go. We're gonna keep this. I didn't have I didn't have a hole saw. The hole saw that I have here is a little bit bigger than the actual size that we supposed to cut it out. So what we're gonna do now is we can use this one, but we just try to cut it nicely. All right. Whenever you try to use this one, see, like I mark here a circle, right? Don't start from the line. Start from, you go a little bit inside, and then so that way in case you'll crack it out. All right. So this is what I like. I do if I use this. Just cut it slowly. You don't want to damage the drywall. So it looks like we have to go to the attic because I've been trying to poke it through here, but see, I have this is like 16 inches, right? I went all the way up, but I'm still catching wood. So I tried different angle. I went this way, that way, this way, but still I couldn't go through because I was trying to eliminate going up, because we can fish this cable without going up, but the problem is this one here. So it looks like we have to. All right, so I managed to fish it through all the wire. All right, so I end up going at the attic to distribute all the wire. All right, so right now we're just gonna hook this one up so that way we can patch that one back. So again, we're just gonna tap it from here. So we're going to replace this box, right? That's all I need. Alright, so now let's do this one tomorrow because I have to still fix that one. First thing is we need to patch that one back. Okay, so right now we're gonna be working on these switches. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm gonna try to find this one. There you go. So what we have to do is, this is light right now. This is light right now. So we're just gonna remove this and then add another one. I have the other box here, but it's just because of, I just don't want to touch there anymore because this is live. Like I just put this. But then in order to transfer here, I have to unwire this one and everything. But if I just add up this one here, then I don't have to unwire it. Right? So let's do that one. Right now, I have this box that goes in here. So all we gotta do is, that's it. Yeah, this one is ready to go. Okay, so now we're just gonna pop this one out. Just like that. And that goes in here. Alright, so we're gonna need this plastic to put it right here so that the insulation is not going to pull up. Okay. So we will put it here too. Same thing on the other one. Now, before we continue that one, let's hook it up the light first. Okay, so let's start on that side. Alright, so this is our second one. Slide it in. Okay, now let's work on the switch. So what I have here, I have this dimmer switch. Just follow the instructions. So there's black, red, brown. This one, red, white, you don't need. Just copy it. Tap it with the blue one. Okay. So now extend it about 8 inch. Before we go ahead, we have to check which one is the constant. This one. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Here it is. Okay. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, we're almost done. There you go. Okay. So now it's on. See it? Okay, let's turn on the light. Switch on. Alright, so we're all good. Now we can put this one in places and we're good to go. Oh yeah. Alright, you can push it up. Oh man. So here it is, the final, the outcome of the lights.
And it's dimmable. Okay. Alright, so thanks again for watching for my ceiling paint
And ceiling lights.
upgrade.